everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show how to add a book an appointment option on LinkedIn. The first way is going to be with the premium LinkedIn, and the other one is going to be with the free LinkedIn account. If you have a premium subscription, you can add a dedicated book and appointment button. Go to your LinkedIn profile and click the pencil icon near your photo or premium badge. Scroll to the custom button section and tick the book an appointment option. Paste your booking link. Either Calendly, you can book me, simply schedule appointments, doodle, and save your changes. Once active, this button appears prominently on your profile as well as in posts, messages, and search results. Now the option 2 is even without a premium, you can still include a booking link, just different visibility. Click the pencil icon, scroll to contact info, and click add website. Enter your booking URL and name it book a meeting and save the update. Edit in your about/summary or featured section. Edit your summary. Insert a clear call to action with your booking link. For example, want to connect? Book a time. Here in the featured section, use add featured add link to place your booking link front and center on your profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.